Hi, I'm Steve Corono, and the business idea is to fit commercial door closers to swing doors to hold them open, help them latch, and to speedily close them. This is good for public safety. We'll be doing this in commercial buildings for clients throughout Australia and New Zealand. The problem is that doors in public places need speed and swing controls. They need to be held open and they need to latch properly and close in public areas. Solution is to fit the Dormer surface mount hydraulic door closer. The target market is shopping centres primarily and then commercial buildings. Competition for supply of all the hardware outlets, of course, and installation competition comes from handymen. We're going to be using trades and technician contractors. The cost is about $600 and profits of about $360. Each supply and install at say 20 per day per shopping centre will produce 7,000 a day or 1.575 million annually. The milestones for the first year would be the first 100, then 1,000, then 3,000, then 4,500 installs across 225 shopping centres, about 45 at each shopping centre in the 5 states.